wanted to spend just a minute reviewing our hundreds chart here. So we call it a hundreds chart, we call it a hundreds frame. What you need to know is that it is 10 boxes across by 10 boxes down. And if we know area, we know that 10 times 10 is 100. So there are 100 squares in this hundreds frame. So when we're working on things like trying to figure out counting up of decimals, we need to remember that one frame, a completed whole frame, equals one whole number. So if you had two frames that were completely filled in, you'd have two. So if we're looking at this frame, we need to know that one whole column or one whole row filled in is going to be 1/10. One whole column or one whole row filled in is going to be 1/10. Because if you see, if the whole frame is one whole row filled in is going to be 1/10 of that hundreds frame. So if two whole rows are filled in, that would be 2/10 of our hundreds frame. Pretty easy to remember. Another thing to remember is that one box equals 1/100th of our hundreds frame. So if we had these three boxes colored in, that would equal 3/100ths of our hundreds frame. It's really important to remember how that hundreds frame works, because when we start multiplying decimals, it's going to become really important, which is what we're going to work on next.